Just 1 tablespoon of this and your plants will go crazy with growth. It can be used with tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, onions, garlic, flowers, and many other plants. It contains organic matter and minerals that can enrich the soil and provide additional support for plants as they grow. It is especially useful if you want a simple homemade plant feed without buying expensive products. Preparation only takes a few minutes, and most of the time the mixture simply needs to sit. To begin, take 1 full tablespoon of this ingredient and place it in a grinder. Grind it for a few seconds until you get as fine a powder as possible. Transfer the powder into some hot water and stir well for a couple of minutes. Leave it to sit overnight. In the morning, you will notice that some of the ingredients have separated from the liquid. Stir everything once again, then strain it through a fine sieve. This will remove the solid pieces and leave you with a liquid that is much easier to use for watering. Dilute it with half a gallon of water. Friends, tell me in the comments where you are watching from. Thank you so much. You can use the diluted liquid to water the soil around the roots of your plants. Use it occasionally alongside your regular fertilizer and do not overdo the amount. As you may have already noticed, the ingredient we used was oatmeal. Simple, inexpensive, and easy to prepare. See you in the next video.